it will take another 2 months. After they are validated and they are told they can pay, he would ask the internal auditor to look into it and give him an opinion. That will take another 2 months. After the internal auditor has given a clean bill of health that you can pay, he would say that he wants the external auditors from Treasury to come and audit. That will take another 2 months. After the external auditor, he would say he wants cabinet approval. The financial year is over and the bill is carried forward to the following year.
So tell us now.
That is how. That is how Sophia.
That
is how Sophia. Businessmen are owed more than 500 billion.
True.
And people who did work for government are being auctioned every day.
How will your
If you look at one of the leading dairies,
yes,
from page 34 to 44, 10 pages is full of auctions.
We hear you,
and
Your
those
Excellency.
auctions are about people who supplied goods to government and they have never been paid. Because we allowed DCI officers to run government when they have no capacity to run government. And they went everywhere in every office, created fear, extorted people, and brought the government to a halt.
And Your Excellency,
and work stopped going on. That is why I'm saying.
Yeah.
And that is why I was assuring the governors. If there is an investigation in your county, let the DCI send officers under a senior officer so that the officers do not abuse the opportunity to visit an office, to intimidate people and extort people, so that there is a level of responsibility. All I was saying is that if you said a senior officer, say like a senior superintendent of police, there is least likelihood a senior superintendent of police would take advantage of the situation to extort money from public officials and create fear and stop service delivery.
All right.
So all I am calling upon is order in DCI.
Yeah.
I'm saying all the officers all over government threatening public officials, demanding money from them, interfering with the tendering process, interfering with the payment system. Go back to where you belong, and if there is an issue, let a small team with a specific instruction or mandate to investigate a particular crime, go and investigate that crime. And if there is evidence, take it to the DPP, and those people are taken to court.
And on that point, Your Excellency, before we move to the next thing, because it's a crucial one, there are many Kenyans watching